Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the radio supports Carplay and the connection type. This saves time and prevents guessing. Plug a good quality USB cable into the radio and your phone, then unlock your phone and accept any prompts. You want to establish a stable data link. If your radio uses wireless Carplay, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, then set the head unit to wireless Carplay pairing mode. This prepares the devices for the handshake. Once done, go to your iPhone's Carplay settings and allow new connections. This authorizes the radio. Pair Bluetooth if using wireless Carplay. Accept the pairing code and permit contact and notification access, because Carplay uses these services. Make sure the radio firmware and any Carplay apps are updated. Outdated firmware causes incompatibility. After updates, restart the head unit and reconnect. This finalizes the settings, so the phone and radio negotiate the Carplay session cleanly. To finish, test audio, maps, and Siri voice control to confirm full functionality. Check microphone and steering wheel button behavior while driving safely. If Carplay fails to appear, swap the USB cable and port first, because faulty cables cause most issues. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode and restart both devices to clear wireless stacks. If problems persist, reset the radio's Carplay settings and repair the phone. Then verify firmware versions. This usually resolves deeper compatibility faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.